Flexible TPU allows quick and easy installation. Durable build with arrays of 1.2 mm to protect screen. Aluminum button for solid feedback and an easy press. Screen protector not included. Specifically engineered to fit Apple Watch Series 3, 2/1, Original, 2015, Nike Plus Sport Edition 42 mm. Top reviews from the United States. The best. I just bought a new Apple Watch because my old one's buttons got full of gunk and stopped working. Wanted a way to protect the buttons without being too bulky. This one is a great size, doesn't feel much bigger than the watch itself. Was easy to install, just had to take off the bands first then slide it on. And, an added bonus, I don't accidentally hit the crown button anymore when bending my wrist to do push-ups or anything on the ground while working out. See video for example of what I mean. I hated working out and hearing my watch talk to me as if I activated Siri just because my hand pressed against the crown. I'm so happy about this purchase. A great price for such a great product. Definitely recommend. Update. I noticed the edges of the case by the watch band are scratching the watch. I'm planning to leave the case on so I don't mind, but it could affect the trade-in value later. Just a heads up.